Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I have brought you to Dun Laoghaire, and Dun Laoghaire is located 9 kilometers to the south of Dublin. It was built as a major port in 1816, and in 1821, after the visit of King George IV, it was renamed to Kingstown in the honor of King George. The current name Dun Laoghaire was given in 1920. In modern times, Dun Laoghaire is a residential area, place for recreation and water sports, fishing, and a nice place to walk around and enjoy the views towards Dalkey, Killiney Hill, and the port. Let's explore this city together. Come with me. Okay, so first we are going to explore the Marina, and then we'll go to the city, maybe get something for lunch. The name of Dun Laoghaire is Irish, that's why it's pronounced differently to the way it's spelled. The port of Dun Laoghaire has two massive piers built in the early 1800s. Each pier is 1 kilometer long and forms a huge sheltered harbour.
You know what you want to do.
Yeah.
I'm about to show you this beautiful fountain commemorating the visit of Queen Victoria in Dun Laoghaire in the 1900s. I love the winged stallion detail. Pegasus, the winged horse, is usually associated with the Greek mythology. According to the Celts, this was the horse of Lyr, L-L-Y-R. Not sure how to pronounce it, but it means the sea god, a beautiful white beast present in many Celtic myths. The Carlisle Pier in Dun Laoghaire is also known as the Pier of Tears, in honor of the large number of immigrants that left Ireland from this pier since 1859. The monument just across is the Tower of the Hobblers. It represents life jackets stuck on top of each other. This is Royal Marine Hotel. Dun Laoghaire is visited by thousands of people each day for exercising, sightseeing, and using the facilities provided for the sailing and yachting communities. The following seasonal activities take place in Dun Laoghaire: paddle boarding, scuba diving, sailing, kayaking, coastal walks with views towards Dublin Bay, courses in sailing, and power boating. Guys, my vlog is coming to an end and I'm about to go and catch the dart to go home. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in my next adventure. Take care.